What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bosco back again with another video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. Today, the Bread 11s dropped once again. If you guys copped them, let me know in the comment section below. You will see a million videos about that. I'm not going to do that. We're going to talk about something a little different here. What I found at Marshall's and why you guys should go by there. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Starting off with this Tommy Hilfiger sweater going for $69 normally. They had it on sale for 29 bucks. I think this is pretty unique. I'm only going to show you guys some of the things that I like. I want to know your feedback on them if this is something you would like. Next, I came across some games for Xbox One as well as PS4, Call of Duty Black Ops, a few different game titles here. And as you guys see them in the video, let me know if you guys own these, if these are still relevant games or not. I had an idea for a giveaway, but I just didn't know which games were still popping. FIFA 19, still a dope game, I'm pretty sure. I heard a lot of people still play that game. But there's just so many games. They had a great selection, as you guys can see. NHL 19, Titanfall, what is that? Black Ops once again, Destiny 2, UFC 2, Battlefront. Are these games still relevant? Are these games still popping? Let me know. I never played NHL 19. I haven't played an NHL game in a very long time, but I'm sure with the graphics getting better, the gameplay is probably a lot better and maybe still interesting. If you own any one of these games, Walking Dead, let me know if these are games worth copping, if they're fire or trash. I thought I heard of Titanfall. That was Titanfall 2. Let me know if that's worth the cop. Nike Zoom LWP 2016. What do you guys know about these LWPs? This colorway is pretty dope, man. What do y'all think about these down below? I'm going for $49, so 50 bucks. Got some air in the front and the back, as you guys can see. Pretty dope colorway too. Kind of a mild, chilling shoe, but it's pretty dope. I've seen it go for like $150. These are pretty dope too. Just wanted to show you guys and talk about a couple of things they have here. They have a lot more, but we're just gonna go off of this. What do you guys think about this colorway in the comment section below? Oh no, you're fine. You're fine. So you got $39 on those and $49 on those. Which shoe do you guys like most here? You're going with the Adidas or the Nike? Another really dope Adidas here for $34.99. I like this colorway. 10 and 11 only though. I wish they had it in my size. What do you guys think about these down below? And then we've seen these Ultra Boosts right here next to these New Balances. What do you guys think about these? Pure Boost LTD. This colorway is pretty dope. 50 bucks on these. Let me know what you guys think down below. I feel like this is the best tea ever made, the Positive Energy tea. Let me know if you guys ever tried that. Moving on, man, some more heat. Vineyard Vines is flooding the Marshalls. Flooding Marshalls and Ross, maybe more so Marshalls than Ross. Let me know if you guys are feeling Vineyard Vines. They got a lot of dope colors, a lot of dope colorway. You guys see here in the large for 59 bucks. Retail was something crazy like 150, 160 on that. I can't remember at the moment, but it is fire. Let me know if this is something that you would pick up. Got the little well on the back. Vineyard Vines is definitely kind of making a comeback, to be honest with you. They had them in a few different colorways. You guys can see that tag right there. Then they also had this green one that I thought was pretty unique also. Not a bad shirt, man. $149 is the regular retail, but they had them for 59 bucks. Super steal right there. Out of all of these colorways, which one do you guys like the most? If this is something you would cop, let me know in the comment section below, bruh. Pretty crazy, bruh. Next thing, of course, we got like this Friends logo hoodie for only 19 bucks at Marshall's. Friends representing the show, or if you're a Kyrie fan, one of his recent Kyries, not too bad. Sliding on over here with the triple black Adidas hoodie, kind of with the black font on it also. They had a few sizes of those too. If you guys are looking for stuff like this, you guys got to hit me up in the comment section below or DM me. $55 retail going for $27. I think that's a pretty good profit. Next thing, we're going to this brand here, which I've never heard of, but the shirt really stood out to me. Guided London. Never really heard of this brand myself, but the quality of the shirt was nice. US dollar retail for 95 bucks. Pretty dope shirt, man. If this is something that you would put in your wardrobe, something that you would wear. The color pattern on here, the color of the shirt overall, let me know. Of course, they got polo flooding through Marshalls. If you did not know, now you know. This sweater's pretty subtle with the little horse in the top left of the shirt. It's a crew neck. Should keep you pretty warm. You guys can see the pricing right there, 39 bucks. I think it retailed for like 90 something bucks, if I'm not mistaken. Another brand that I came across, and I want to know what you guys think about it. I need the feedback from the audience too.
Truth. Very much so a high-end brand. They had it on sale there for, I believe, what was that? $29.99, but it retailed for like $120. I'm telling you, some of the things you find here have great quality and the discounts are great. If you guys are a fan of this and heard of Truth before, $88 is what it retailed for. They had it for $29. Not bad. I'm not really feeling the shiny black on there, but it is pretty cool at the end of the day. A Just Do It Nike tee, pretty simple and plain, $12.99, great price for that. Retail for, was that, 35 bucks on that? So $12 or $13 as opposed to $39 or $35. I think that's a win. Kappa's definitely making a move and coming back. Let me know if you guys are feeling this Kappa hoodie. They had them in a few sizes there also. I believe the retail tag, what is it? They're gonna display right now. Official merch. I'm not sure what the retail tag for it was, but they had it there for 29 bucks. So at least going for like $90 to $100, maybe a little bit more on the hoodie. You know, Kappa, like I said, it is making a comeback. Let me know if you own any Kappa stuff in your collection. This Tommy Hilfiger jacket, to me, was super dope. $195 retail tag. You guys see the discounts there. Wool on the inside, definitely gonna keep you warm. I feel like that material is really great for the rain also. I'm a fan of that jacket. If I had extra money, I would cop that for myself. Moving on to the Space Jam hoodie. You know, Space Jam 2 is coming out any day now, or not any day now, but pretty soon. LeBron recorded it last summer. Curious to see what it's gonna look like when it actually drops. Got all the characters on the sleeve, as you guys can see, which I think is pretty dope. I like this in the white colorway. I think it would look dope in maybe some other colorways also, but this is definitely a classy shirt from the first Space Jam. $19 on the retail. I think it's definitely worth it. Very nice and colorful. Now, I never heard of denim and flower before, but maybe you have. $12.99 is what they sold them for, but I believe they retail for like $44. Let me know if this is a shirt that you like. I thought it was kind of unique. That's why I wanted to share it with you guys. And if you have seen it before, let me know. Moving on to this dope polo jacket, bro. $79 on the retail for Marshalls, but I believe it was going for like $198 or $200 on that Letterman jacket. Let me know if you guys like those down below, man. This thing is pretty fire. The red, the black and white, the P with the little track kind of symbol on there, 79 bucks, and it was retailing for $185, bro. Moving on to another great find is this bikini bottom driver's license from SpongeBob and Nickelodeon. Pretty dope, man. SpongeBob SquarePants on one sleeve, bikini bottoms right there next to it. All black colorway, so it goes with everything. You can match it with anything. This would be perfect for those of you guys who own any of the SpongeBob Kyries, I'm pretty sure. Then you have different faces of SpongeBob on the left sleeve. Pretty dope, man. I'm not mad at this sweater at all. If this is something you like, go ahead and look for it. If you can't find it, go ahead and hit me up. Moving on to the Puma Thunder Spectre in a different colorway. Now, we definitely talked about these on my channel in triple black. They also had that original colorway. This one is this is the first time I've seen them in these colorways. Let me know if you like those in the comment section below, followed by these New Balances going for 69 bucks. I believe the retail on them was like 125, 130. I'm not too sure, I can't remember exactly. But let me know if any of these shoes right here you're seeing in front of you are worth copping. You got some New Balances that are not that bad, $34 on the retail of those. Sliding on over here at Marshalls, like I said, check them out, man. Go, don't be hesitant, don't be afraid. You might find some steals and deals that you might have really been looking for. I really like this basketball shoe, as we saw earlier in the video. I wish they had it in a 13. I never found it in my size just yet. This colorway is fire, only like 39 bucks too. You can't go wrong with that, bro. Cop pass, fire or trash. Moving on, they had some Jordans that kind of stuck out to me a little bit. Not really a fan of them from myself, but maybe you might like them only for 49 bucks or $50. I believe they retail for like 130 also. So the deals are definitely there. Let me know what you guys think about everything you guys seen here, something that you guys might like, maybe have seen before, have more information on. Of course, share that in the comment section below for myself and everybody else watching. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video and watch it all the way to the end. If you happen to be new, subscribe for more content like this and turn that notification bell on to be updated every single time I drop some content. Without further ado, I'm about to get out of here. Have a great day wherever you are in the universe. Peace.